It's going to be a video. This is for the manual. I don't know how the automatic is. I'm assuming it's somewhat similar. But I had to pull off this middle console to help run the wireless wire, or the wireless charger cable to the rear. First thing you're going to do is grab this part and yank up on it, and it pops right out so you can access the screw underneath. So here you go. Got it popped out. And that gives you access to this front panel. This is where you're going to remove the knob. You probably can't remove it if you haven't done it already because it's got red Loctite on it. Mine doesn't, so it comes off pretty easy, but you could still probably get to it without having to remove the ball. So I got the ball off. The screw's under this side. I wasn't sure how far in it was. Anyway, the same thing with this. Going to kind of yank on it and pop it out. So you see it's free. Oh, the reason I'm going through this is I need to switch this out. I got a new phone, so I got to take this one out. Anyway, yep, so that pops free. And we pull that all out. So here's the screw I'm talking about. This screw holds on this side panel. It's also held in with clips, but you have to remove the screw first, and then you can pop off this side panel. So once you get the screw out, just give it a good jerk. And that breaks loose the side, and then you can pull it the rest of the way with the other clips along the side. And that takes off this side piece, which gives you access to the front cigarette power port that I hid up underneath because I think it looks stupid hanging down. Alright, so that's off. There's the side, so you can see. And this is how I ran the cord up, down there. Then you can pretty much fish it underneath the carpet and the trim here up to the back. It's not really that hard at all, as long as you know what you're doing. I'm not sure if the automatic, what is involved with the automatic. I'm sure it's slightly more because you have to figure out how to get the shifter. I don't know how it's set up. So, anyway,